What's up, guys? It's Archer. I'm going to be showing you guys how to harmonize. If you're a producer, you're a singer-songwriter, and it's just not clicking, it's going to click this time. I'm telling you, I had a problem myself. I couldn't harmonize for the life of me, and this really helped me out. So it's fast, easy, and free. This plugin that we're going to be using is called Pitchproof. I'm going to link it down below if you want to go ahead and download it. And then also what I'm going to link down below is the harmonizing mixer preset. And it sounds like this. So you can go ahead and download it, and it's going to show you basically how I'm structuring my vocals, exactly my vocal chain. A lot of them are stock, some of them are paid, but you can kind of still see what I'm using. So if you want to, buy some of that stuff in the future or not, doesn't matter. You can still kind of get a general, visual on exactly what I'm doing. So let me show you how I use Pitchproof. Let's do a little bit of singing here. I'm going to turn this on and this on, and yeah. 1, 2, 3, la 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 la. All right. Da, da. 'Cause I don't wanna know if you're playing, keep it on the low. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. Awesome. So what we're going to do from there is we're going to take that track that we just made. I downloaded the reverb as well, which is fine. We're going to grab that pink one. It's on track 2. And we're going to move it to track 4, which is the harmonizing mixer preset. We're going to play it, and it's going to sound like this now.
'Cause I don't wanna know if you're playing, keep it on the low. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
Awesome, perfect. So now what I just did is I made a duplicate of this channel, and the way you do that, which is the fast and easy way to do it, is you just go to File, you right click, you go to File, and you go to Save Mixer Track State As, and then you go over here and just drop it in there. I already did it, so I'm not gonna do that again. So it's already ready to go. And now that we have that melody, we have that new melody in our heads. So we're not hearing the old one anymore. We're hearing this new one. So I don't wanna know. Da, 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 na, na, na. So it's not gonna confuse us. And that's where a lot of the problem is happening with people that are learning to harmonize. People are just like, oh, just do it a third up. Just do it this, that. I'm like, no, you need to hear it. And once that'll get that practice in. So if you're really trying to master, harmonizing, hearing it, singing it, this is the way to do it. Let's go ahead and start it from here. Now that we have that new melody in our heads, let's just listen to it one more time.
'Cause I don't wanna know if you're playing.
Okay, so now we know it. So let's go ahead and sing it now. We're going to record this track, and let's just get to singing. 'Cause I don't wanna know if you're playing, keep it on the low. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. Alright, awesome. So now we finally got that track. And now this one that we first recorded, this one right,
If you're playing.
we're going to go ahead and take it from track 4 and bring it back down to track 2. And then now it's going to have the original vocal, and we have the harmony that we just recorded as well. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. You can get more in depth with it, like with Pitchproof. You don't just have to do it by a third. You can do it by a fourth, a sixth, a fifth. I mean, there's so many different harmonies you can do. So if you're trying to get that choir effect, that is a perfect way to do it. And it's a great reference too, especially, if you're trying to learn this stuff. So gives you some building blocks to go and start from. So yeah, I really hope I helped you out with this tutorial. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hope you have a great weekend and take care. Bye.